Welcome to FordLogan Woven Wire Mesh installation video on transom panels.
In this video, we will discuss two options for installing transom panels. The first using FordLogan Colonel Clamps and the second attaching to line posts.
Transom panels fit above the cage doors when the system is higher than the door. For example, in an 8-foot FordLogan caging system with a 7-foot hinge door, a 1-foot transom panel would enclose the space above it. To install a transom panel, begin by sliding the transom panel in between the wire mesh panels. Next, attach the FordLogan Colonel Clamps to the transom and the wire mesh panels. There should be 2 Colonel Clamps on each side of the transom panel for a total of 4. The clamps prevent the C-channel frames from collapsing onto each other, or what is commonly referred to as telescoping. Next, secure the Colonel Clamps with 1/4 inch by 1 1/4 inch carriage bolts. Then finger tighten the 1/4 inch flanged hex nuts. Repeat the process on the opposite side of the transom panel. Anytime a line post is used, a bolt-through connection is required. FordLogan Colonel Clamps cannot be used. Place the line post and the base plate against the adjacent panel facing away from the door. Repeat this process on the other side. Slide the transom panel between the adjacent panels and above the door. Note: for questions on installing hinge or slide doors, please refer to the FordLogan installation video library.
Next, bolt the transom panel to the line post through the middle hole and into the adjacent panel with a 1/4 inch by 1 3/4 inch hex head bolt.
Finger tighten the 1/4 inch hex nut.
Repeat on the opposite side. A 2-bolt connection is required on each side of the transom panel as shown here.
After the caging system panels are assembled, tighten each hex nut with a 7/16 inch wrench. This concludes the FordLogan Woven Wire Mesh installation video on transom panels. If you have any questions, please contact us at 812-523-3044. Thank you.